Okay, so the take this installing this plug, and the take using this take a group your grip is off. Okay. Okay, so the take remove your plug. There it goes. Okay, so the first step I did, and I'll take it this I take using this using this type of side cutters. Okay, so they using this type of side cutters here. So first step, snap it off. Okay, take it off. Okay, so you take use a plug this wire here, and then take use is a new plug, and then take this Eagle is heavy duty rubber plug, and then take a loop your cover, and then take it off this screw in tight. So then you take using this, and then take use the wire here, and that's inside, and then take using this a wire, and then you take using this, and then take use the strippers here, and this they can strip the wire here, and then you take using this like that. So then you just strip the wires and pull it down. Oh wait, strip this up. Okay, so let's strip the wire. Here, I'll take using this wire here. Okay, so then I take using this, strip this out, then the strip. Okay, let's just strip the wires. Oh, let the take a strip the wires here, and take the screw, and then take a knife from set screwdriver like that. Here you go. Okay, so next thing you do, and then take this to trace the wire here, and like that. So then let's strip the wire trace around, and I'll take the screw over like that. So that they take this trace wire here, and okay, trace around, and then they take a trace the other wire, and they take using this like that, and then they take the wires, trace it. All right, so and I'll take this trace the wire, we'll trace the wires and like that. There you go. So, okay, so just trace the wires, and I'll take it using this a plug, and all I do is a screw, and I do take it using this, and I take one of the screw, and I take this screws inside. The first little wires in connect and tight. There you go. It's enough to do, and I take it there's the wire connect. So they take tight your screw, and then take it using like this Phillips head screwdriver, and then you take it using tight your screws, and then take the tight your screw, and the two wires connect. Pull down. Then take the wires connect. Okay. Okay, the tight. Screw like that here, and the best screw it tight is a plug. Okay, take the screws. Okay, and those are tight the screws. Okay, take it down. Okay, so this step we need, and the push and pull. Alright, so next you do, and then take your cover, and take a cover. There you go. And let's take it this block. And let's take it this nice and clean. That's very nice. Okay, so they take it using this a new plug, this Eagle Heavy Duty rubber plug.